welcome back to our channel. It's your girl Unique
and it's your girl Shelly. And today we're back with another lit video as always. So before to let anything about what we're doing this week, we want you to go ahead and follow us on all our social as always, and that's Shelly Lisa B on Instagram and Shelly Lisa on Facebook, and also go ahead and follow my business page that's at Forever Thoughts on both Instagram and Facebook.
And go follow me on my social at Queen Yan Brown, and on Facebook at Unique Brown, and on TikTok Unique Brown 8.
Yes. So this week
we're doing Never Have I Ever Part 2, the dirty version as promised. Even though we didn't get our 50 likes as we wanted, we're still gonna do it anyways. So I promise you guys we're gonna do it this week. So
I never wanted to do it. I never want to do it. Period. Because listen, Granny I watch.
What's Granny
I watch? Mother I watch.
But we're all big people, aren't we though?
Pitly I watch this.
Hey, I watch this.
Not Leo, but I'm saying I'm dreading because
okay, we're not gonna go too in depth in certain things.
They said dirty version, so dirty is, and
we're not gonna get too much. Like we're not go too dirty. We're just gonna go regular.
I'm dreading. Okay, so before we get, one of our lovely subscribers has come into the YouTube family.
Oh, okay.
Yes, she has come into the YouTube family, guys. And we're gonna leave a link in the description below for you to go ahead and check out her channel. Go and support another fellow Jamaican YouTuber. So go ahead and show her some likes and everything. So okay, let's get right into this video. Don't mind me. So look tired?
Don't mind me tired either.
I'm tired. I'm a beat out from 7 o'clock this morning. We're on the road and we're back. And we say, listen, we can't disappoint with subscribers. We're gonna pull through and we're gonna give them this video like how we do every single Sunday. So don't watch your eye. Don't watch your bugs underneath the eye. Don't watch your bugs. Anyways, let's get right into the video. The first question.
Alright.
And she wanted to do it, so she's gonna answer every single one of them. Would you rather do it in a public place or in your parents' house?
A public place.
We're talking about to eat KFC? Of course. I love to eat KFC at my parents' house. Why not?
Public.
Outside better
KFC. We're talking KFC.
Yeah.
We're talking, I think a dirty version will do.
Yeah, dirty version, but me, of course, my life eat KFC. They say never suspect. My life eat KFC, yes. I love KFC, but you know.
You're such a ID though. In your parents' house?
Yeah, I love KFC, but
you're disgusting.
Right. No, I love, so listen, you wanna eat KFC in your parents' house? Eh?
No.
On a nice clean bed and everything.
No.
Not pan for them bed, but like a nice clean bed and everything.
No, in public.
Eh? Eh?
In public.
No. In a nice clean. Okay. No. Me KFC, yeah. My parents' house. They can't eat outside. Eat outside. You're not supposed to eat outside. You're not afraid of bugs and all these things.
I'm not scared of that. You gotta be spontaneous.
Right in my parents' house.
You eat the KFC wherever you feel like you want to eat it. When you feel hungry at that time, you eat the KFC at that place. Right?
Excuse more.
Mommy trying to watch this.
Excuse me. Okay. Okay, would you rather be on top or bottom?
Jesus in my strength. Would I rather? Will you answer the question first? Come answer the first question first. So you answer the second question first.
Top or bottom? Well,
maybe think both.
Me
50-50.
Me, well, if I have the choice, I'd rather live downstairs.
Just like going up more parables and other things like.
No, honestly, like if I have a choice and everything, I'd rather live downstairs. You know, come. I'm afraid of height, you know. I'm afraid of drop off. Oh, I'm afraid of height.
If you're broken neck or broken foot.
Yes, I'm afraid of all of those things. I'm afraid of height. I'm afraid of height. So if me have a choice,
the thing is,
I rather stay down. Me stay on a flat.
Basically,
me stay on a flat. So
I'm also scared of heights, but I'll always have a challenge, you know.
No, me not challenge nothing.
I like to challenge myself to overcome.
So me foot them firm and ground. That me I talk about. Yeah, me have to stay firm and ground. I'm afraid that me not.
Okay.
Put me down, but I said bottom it is. Bottom. Yeah.
You don't have to pronounce the bottom, by the way, underneath.
Underneath. On bottom. Below. Below.
Not bottom. We're in the bottom.
Would you rather do it with the light on or off?
Off. You're asking me a question.
Something like this.
But to be honest, let me tell you, alright. It's since me go start talking on purpose as you used to do. Alright, listen. Me used to like watch movie. Me talking on purpose like you. Me used to like watch movie in a dark, you know. Okay, I always give it that nice effect. I always feel more secure when you're in the dark. But since we get older, me kind of like watch a movie with the lights on because it much like you get to see the TV more better and everything. You understand what I'm saying?
Hey, listen.
You get the popcorn, you get the popcorn and
listen good. Lights on. 110% lights on. Cause my granny always tell me say anything at all that you're encountering with, and when you eat, you must see where you eat.
You really put that out there?
No, I didn't
mean put that out there.
I didn't mean literally.
Well, you never said I mean literally. From when you start talking, you say literally, no mean literally. You're talking about problems, so we are trying to understand.
That. What I say is,
we should understand what
I'm trying to say is, grandma say anything I do, it's supposed to see with the two eyes.
Okay, that makes more sense. Okay, so be careful what you're putting out there. Okay, just be
that put out there.
Yes, that's definitely
one I think. A food meant about, you know.
A food meant about. But me that's about the TV still. Oh no, you have that about food.
Okay, a food meant about the ground. So when you have to see,
you have to
see. Say make sure say it color right. You understand? Make sure so no magic.
You know, no
John nothing like that in there. You have to see. So it lights on. Alright, click. I go skinny dipping in the ocean or the pool.
Pool. That's a no-brainer for me.
Pool? Pool.
Yes.
Not what ocean?
Yeah, when you see we go feel want crawl up or something or articulate something.
Tickle your fancy.
How?
It's more tickle your fancy.
Exactly. I'm afraid that somebody can know anything can go there and...
What's ocean?
Not ocean.
What shark and a bag of things there?
You know sometimes pool not clean, you know? Because if you have chlorine...
It's not about cleanness, but me take a chance in the pool. Reason being, no creature, nothing in there. If you go and wander somewhere it's not supposed to go under. Okay, so this one is... Would you rather spit or swallow?
Spit or swallow what?
You say one of the dirty version and these are the questions.
What are you referring to, Madam?
None.
Mademoiselle.
None.
What the hell are you referring to?
None.
What?
Spit or swallow?
Spit or swallow what? You're not saying it.
You have the water in your mouth. We go do.
What water? Jesus, give me strength. Why you gonna ask me my question? I know she's aware.
Alright.
What are you trying to do?
Listen, alright. Put an example like this. You know when you.
But this is
when you want to purge your blood and everything, and then say, alright, then the grandmother say, listen, you have to drink the bitters. You understand? And then put the bitters in your mouth. And you know, say, bitter and it taste good, you know? So tell me what you want to do. Either you spit it out or you swallow it. Which one?
You answer the question first. Can you disgust?
So people say it's nutritional to your body, you know. Me say good for your body. So
yeah, so you say good for your face.
Yeah. I may say good for your body too. So you do. You swallow the bitters.
May say good for your face.
Facial. So you say it's
not. So you don't know. Keep shut up your mouth. Facial. You keep on say some things you don't know what you say.
Facial.
Yes. No say the word there. Don't say the word.
Facial.
Don't say the word.
Sweetie. So they say the bitters is
Nice.
nice.
Somebody got old.
They must say the facial nice and everything. I don't know what I talk about the bitters, I talk about facial and everything.
Alright.
So they must say the bitters nice and a lot of things, right? And it make your skin glow
Nice,
and everything.
Yes. Yeah,
So either swallow it
okay.
and get the benefit.
Okay.
Which one you rather?
Okay, so which one you rather? Spit or swallow?
None of them not like bitters.
Me glad
Me not like it. No sir. Me not like it.
Next
Me
question.
not like none of them.
That's me not gonna answer the question. The spit or swallow. Wait till do day in the first place.
Would you rather be with someone who never showers or someone who never brushes their teeth?
Oh.
Me taking no teeth, but not brushing teeth. At least the egg can turn so. To the left. Never shower or never brush them teeth. Boy, I want the sticky, no? I want the sticky bad. Really?
I've seen about the logic to know one issue, so never beard. So they never beard in frowns. Like,
Good frowns, or they never brushing teeth. Boy, I go.
So you have to do with them, you have to have sex with them.
Intimate, you have to be intimate with them. Right now, I rather take them no brush teeth.
Yeah, if touch me, I just want to unplug my head and just do like this.
Or tie up your mouth or something. I feel something.
I just turn.
But you never show
I just
apart.
make sure I say no face, no in contact.
Mm,
No
say to the
time
left,
at
to
all,
the left.
interface.
To the left. Can you imagine never ever shower? Never like.
I was moldy. I
Eh?
Ugh.
How much crabble up.
Imagine how when you go pee one, you want to body and then you know, so you not go wash him body for much days and go do it again and you the both of go for cross supposed to run it so.
Eh? And crabbles, everything's supposed to have whole heap of dust.
No, thank you.
No, thank you. To the left.
To the
To left. Put
left.
all them nastiness there. Alright, would you rather have sex with only one person for the rest of your life or a new partner every year?
I'm third person first in my life.
One person for your life,
Yeah, that's a no-brainer.
as long as it's good.
Yes.
Rest of your life, as long as it's
Not
good.
a problem.
It's good. It's good.
As long as it's
I've been doing it for how long?
As long as it's good.
How long? How long? How long? How long?
4 years.
How long? How long? How long?
4 years.
How long?
4
And
years.
it's still long. And it's still long. And it's still long. How long, baby? How long?
Buddy.
Would you rather pay for sex or be paid to have sex?
Me pay for sex.
Right?
Any room pay for sex?
Ching ching ching.
Ching ching ching. Show me the money. Money.
Would you rather mistakenly send notes to your boss or your mother?
To my mother.
To mommy.
My mom see
My woman send and receive. Hey, we tell us we have a story time about that's what we there now. I have a story time. I'm gonna talk about me talk about it. I have a story time about that sending something
to somebody.
to somebody.
Yeah, family.
And
couldn't make
I
it.
probably build up the courage to talk about it one day. But
So I couldn't mean you say no to.
why you want to see my nude? Yes.
But
Wait, you see my nude every day?
you send to somebody.
Yes, I do it every day.
Okay.
Every day.
No. Okay. Maybe I do a kind of fancy acrobatic stuff. How am I supposed to scar?
Oh, you know, say, listen, I shall talk about that experience.
Okay, the person where said it is supposed to scar then.
Why?
Never look at your sim, you can't look in your eye. You can't make eye contact.
Hey, that thing is one of. Because I have a whoop embarrassing moment. That's one of my most embarrassing moment. One of them.
I don't really have that much.
Mm-mm.
My life boring.
But then
Okay, we'll do one more question.
Last question. Last. Alright, would I rather do it with a cousin or
What kind of
listen up,
incest
do it with a cousin or be the one to end the relationship with your true love? The relationship of end.
Yeah, I go done.
I go done.
Nice to know you. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Have a
Hey,
nice
I
life.
go done. If
you find somebody close to you, I'm done.
If it was true love, then it wouldn't
come to that.
Come in the category of with choose it or do it to the cousin. Done.
If I actually choose my cousin, listen, relationship done. Who you? I don't know you.
What family ram? What family ram I go?
I don't know you.
What family ram? What me say?
Incest.
Is done. Family ram. We are Jamaica. We don't live America. We live in Jamaica. We call it family ram. Family ram. And where that I go?
Exactly.
True love.
When
done.
person name? Who are you? Do I know you, sir?
Do I know you, sir?
Okay, have a nice day. Bye.
What true love? Love gone.
True love.
Love gone.
False.
False.
I object.
I object.
Backside.
Yeah?
Not a cassava.
So guys, tell us if you enjoyed this week video, and remember we post every single Sunday, so don't forget, remember to like, comment, and go and subscribe. And please remember, go and go tell a friend. We tell a friend, and another friend, and tell that the friend, if you tell him, auntie, cousin, uncle, brother, sister, mother, father, cat, post, everybody. But spread the word, tell them to come and like.
But when normal, you asked me last week, you know, what I always say, when we post Sunday, and when it
yeah. When I always tell us say if I do.
No, what you say?
When I turn on a post
notification. When I turn on a post notification, you get notified. You get notified tomorrow, the day after that, or the day before that, or next week, or the week after that. You get notified today the same time.
Same time, instant.
When the post,
no 2 minutes
on your screen.
No 1 minute, no 3 minutes. Immediately, so come and turn on that post notification
bell.
Ding, ding. Yeah, turn it on.
Thank you guys so much.
No, remember, tell them man, for tell them friend, and then tell a friend, for tell
a friend, your friend, for tell a friend, and your friend, for tell a friend, and tell a friend, auntie, friend, cousin, uncle, mother,
tell you already before,
granny, grandpapa.
I'm tell you already before. You better tell a friend, mother, sister, brother, uncle, auntie, niece, nephew. We tell the mosquito because the news will reach faster.
Yeah, mosquito. Yeah,
the news will reach faster.
People, yes, so
the news reach faster. And I worry for them. The news will reach faster.
Yes.
And we are out, and we will see you
next week
Sunday when we post the story time. So stay tuned. I'm gonna talk about it next week.
Oh,
brave up.
Yes.
Story time next week.
Bye, people. We love you. Mwah.